Tesla ramps installation of Model Y production equipment in Giga Shanghai and seems to be set on starting to production of Model Y at its Gigafactory Shanghai facility as soon as possible, with work at the site's Phase 2 zone accelerating in recent weeks. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. According to local reports, the Model Y factory at Giga Shanghai is currently being outfitted with more vehicle manufacturing equipment, which should pave the way for trial production runs of the all-electric crossover to begin later this year. Tesla enthusiast and drone operator Vuva Vision recently visited the Gigafactory Shanghai complex. Based on aerial footage taken on the site, it was evident that the Phase 2A building, which corresponds to the Model Y factory, is being completed at a rapid pace. Interestingly enough, large numbers of equipment are reportedly being delivered to the Model Y facility in a steady stream, which suggests that the production line for the crossover is already being set up. This is wonderful news. Other areas of the Gigafactory Shanghai complex have also grown in recent weeks. The powertrain facility, which is built beside the battery pack assembly plant, has completed the build-out of its steel framework. Extensions to the site's existing substation also seem to be nearing completion. Overall, Gigafactory Shanghai is still a bustling with activity despite the continuous rains in the area as of late. As you know, this is the rainy season in China. If Tesla could complete the installation of the Model Y production equipment at the Phase 2 building within the next few months, trial production runs for the crossover, Model Y crossover, may commence within the coming months. It should be noted that by this time last year, Tesla was also busy installing the production line for the Model 3 at the Phase 1 area at Giga Shanghai. By September 2019, images of Model 3 sample units being assembled were already getting leaked online from Giga Shanghai. With this in mind, it may only be a few months before images emerge of Model Y trial units being assembled at Gigafactory Shanghai. This could ultimately pave the way for the China-based plant to start full production of the crossover, Model Y crossover, by the end of this year. This, in turn, could allow the company to start Model Y customer deliveries by early 2021. Meeting such a time frame would be quite impressive for Tesla, considering that the facility has been affected by the virus earlier this year and was shut down for a short time. Currently, Gigafactory Shanghai is contributing more and more to Tesla's overall numbers. In the second quarter alone, locally produced Model 3 from the China-based plant accounted for a notable portion of Tesla's overall deliveries, which ultimately allowed the company to surpass Wall Street's expectations by a very wide margin. So far, recent reports indicate that the Phase 1 zone of Gigafactory Shanghai is already producing the Model 3 at a run rate of over 200,000 cars per year, which is 4,000 cars per week. And that's only with 2 shifts being active on the site. Friends, watch these images from the recent drone flyover of the Giga Shanghai complex and see what a humongous work Tesla has been doing there. In the meantime, this is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. Please also subscribe to our channel, join our community, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla stories. Right now, for today, I have 3 more Tesla stories coming and several more that I have not chosen yet. So see you in the next report. God bless you, and keep watching these images and see what a humongous work Tesla has been doing there. Take good care of each other. See you soon.